If you want your emails look like this, then just watch the video till to the end. I just give you 2 easy steps you need to follow and you get results like this. That is no screenshot, that's the actual Klaviyo dashboard, but obvious some clients are not fine with sharing the information, so I can't do that for you. Yeah, step number 1 is you just go to my website. Then there comes a pop-up, enter your email, and you get this free value vault, okay? In there, you find the email campaign calendar, okay? This is the email campaign calendar for the whole year. I give you from January to December email campaign ideas you can do for your brand, okay? That's it. Just get this file, and then you are good to go for the ideas, okay? And the next thing is short emails. And actually, that's the whole secret. Don't write emails like this and just use one topic, okay? Here, for example, I give you some ideas. I wrote them here all down. That's some brands you can follow. You just go to mild.com and then you can look for these brands. Look, I follow all these brands and then you get some inspiration. Here's also some other brands I follow like Skims, Hydro Flask, and then you can see, okay, which brands I'm doing some emails. And we will now go over some ideas and I will show you to you why these ideas are very good. We can, for example, start with this one. Look at this email. That's so short email. Coming soon, it's a gift. There's a product like a small preview. A new flavor is on the way. Subscribe to SMS to get pre-order access and be the first to taste our new flavors. So they are pushing like the SMS to get more people on the SMS list. Subscribe now. There's nothing else you can do on this email. So there's no distraction at all, okay? Number 1. Here again, joy mode. Her Easter surprise, you. I mean, very direct. We all know what it's meant to be for. Some surprise are worth waiting for. This one kicks in just 45 minutes. So shop the booster, a product that fits obvious to the headline. It looks like ChatGPT 4.0 new update. Science backed on some copy, shop now. That's it. Nothing else. Short email. Then we have the same here again. That's also a very, very funny idea. I found this one. I will try this also for my clients now. Magic Spoon. If you don't know the brand, it's about cereals they sell. Yeah, here you can eat. There's some cereals and some other products. Okay, and yeah, nice topic. Our favorite hate emails. Some people are only focusing on the positives, not on us. We don't mind a little bit spicy feedback, and then they make a GIF. Okay, I think it's rude to have. Yeah, I think actually that one is a little bit too fast. They did it so people understand it's a GIF, but I would make a little bit slower. Yeah, there's some hate emails that actually are good. Some copy, fill your bowl, happiness, 100% guaranteed. That's it. Very short email. Here again, one topic. It's just for focus. Feeling too distracted. Copy my mental health awareness month. Shop now the product, and then some small benefits here. Again, start with intention. Fuel your brain. Move daily. Set boundaries. Prioritize rest. And shop. That's it. And here the last email again from Byte. They're also doing very, very beautiful actually emails, and also copy is always on point. Rushing with benefits, reduce sensitivity, natural whiteness, and here also another point. Here there's a clear call to action. Smile you can trust. They put some reviews in there, and that's it. And that's all about the video. That's a short banger. Just get the email campaign calendar so you never run out of ideas. Just go to. You also can go to ChatGPT and ask him. But our campaign calendar really focus on different things you can do, like us versus them. We have, let's go in January. We have New Year, New You, customer testimonials, us versus them, behind the scenes, brand benefits, FAQ, email, product deep dive, secret discount weekends, secret discount last chance, meet the founder, before and after. And that's just January, okay? There's really specific topics. We can go over it, and then you also can like have here now enough ideas for the design, also for the copy, what is other $1 million brands are doing. Just follow the Meld. And that's the only 2 things you need to follow, okay? So I hope I could help you with that one. And if you're a brand owner and completely overwhelmed with that stuff, or you're not overwhelmed, you don't want to do it anymore. I also have clients that reach out to me and they're telling me, hey, I'm good, but I don't want to do it anymore. Then just click the first link in the description below. I give you a free audit. It usually takes me like 1-2 hours. It's not like a 2 sentence letter or answer, I give it to you, or we need to change this and this. I sit there 1 to 2 hours, completely analyze your whole Klaviyo account, what we need to do to increase click rate, open rate, what we need to do with campaigns, with the flows, if the triggers are wrong, if the time delays are right, with the deliverability, the technical stuff, all that stuff I will do to you all for free. So you can then in the end do it by yourself if you're not happy with my offer. So yeah, just click the first link in the description below and see you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.